Are your scientific or mathematical software apps crashing due to the Libcloogxx DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin the manual steps for Libcloogxx, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Libcloogxx, the Chunky Loop Generator library. It provides unmanaged routines for loop optimization in high-performance compilers, facilitating the mathematical manifest for execution data links. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Reinstalling your scientific or mathematical software is the safest fix. Download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft and install them. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the libcloogxx file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for libcloogxx. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing libcloogxx. If you've regained access to libcloogxx, thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.